we'll see. So it's been cooling for a while. Let's see how dense she is. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Oh my goodness. Put it on the side. Ready. Oh, she's pretty. I don't know if she's edible. Let me see. Yuck. Nah, it's a fail. Should I try water? I mean butter. Let's try butter. Jeez. Oh. I don't know, it just smells weird. Okay, let's try that. Too much. Mmm. It's very sourdoughy. I don't know. I think it's a fail though. Don't leave it in for 3 days. Maybe 4 days. I don't know. Okay, love you. Bye.